Hello everyone, Anthony Drew Gary here with another Wednesday video, and this week we're going to start with a flashback to 2 weeks ago when we talked about saving money on a fence project. Now we're back to the breakdown of cost on that fence, and while I have your attention on the screen, smash that subscribe button in the bottom right corner so that you can get notified about future videos. I listed a secret savings of 23 and change, and it's time to reveal what happened there. It turns out Home Depot will price match the 11% rebate that Menards offers, provided that you make your Home Depot purchases during the same weeks that Menards is offering their rebate. So plan ahead if you're anticipating any large purchases, because Menards does not offer the rebate every week. You can check every Sunday to find out if that week will be one of the rebate weeks. I ran several searches on YouTube, and best I can tell, no one's made a video about this before. I actually worked for Home Depot when I was in college, and I didn't even know this existed until a few weeks ago. The Home Depot rebate works really similarly to the Menards rebate. You submit a form with your information on your receipt, and you receive money back in the form of merchandise credit. So let's check out the website that Home Depot uses to get this done. Alright, so here's the website that Home Depot uses to process the rebates. The web address will be in the information of the video. You can click the links to the left and mail in the Home Depot rebate, similar to how it works with Menards, but I recommend using the portal on the right side of the screen to complete the online rebate form. Once you confirm on the prior screen that your purchase was made within the windows of the Menards dates for their rebates, you can submit your store number and your receipt number on this screen. The website suggests not all Home Depots participate in the program, but I've not yet found a location that doesn't. And in the final screen, you'll submit your mailing address and email address, and they will send you out a rebate. I turned this receipt into this gift card in about 3 weeks' time. Not too bad for some extra savings. If you liked this video, please interact with me by commenting, liking, and sharing on your social media. And again, smash that subscribe button on the right-hand corner. Shout out to Jack J for his comments on last week's video, and keep watching. Until next time, take care.